create a reading list in Moodle, first turn editing on. Then click on the link that says Add an activity or resource in the week that you'd like to add a reading list. When the dialog box pops up, select External Tool, and then go down and click on Add. Here, you'll name your reading list. So for this one, I'll call it Demo Reading List. Under External Tool Type, you'll see an item that lets you build reading lists. Here it's called OneSearch Curriculum Builder, but your Moodle administrator may have named it something else. Then click on Save and Return to Course. This will create a new link that says Demo Reading List. Give that a click to start building your reading list. Depending on how your Moodle administrator has configured this tool, it may appear within the frame of Moodle or it might open in a new window. Here you can search for library resources. When the results come back, I simply click on the button that says Add to Reading List. If I change my mind, I can simply click on the Remove from Reading List. I can do as many searches as I'd like and build my reading list very quickly. Once I'm done building my reading list, I can click on See Current Reading List at the top of the screen. From here, I can sort and annotate these readings for my students. So let's say I'd like to move this one to the top of the list. I can drag and drop it to the right place. I can also click on Add Notes to put in an annotation, such as, "This is required." I'll save my notes. I can also add text or instructions. So for example, if there's a print textbook for this class, I can remind them to read specific chapters. I can also sort this as well. So if I'd like that reminder to be at the top of the list, I'll drag it there. I can also add links to external resources. So for example, if I'd like them to go to the library's homepage to start their research, I can add in the link to the library's homepage, label that link, and then add it to the list. This can be sorted and annotated just like other readings. If I've got a lot of readings in the list, I can create folders to organize my materials. So for example, I have a folder called 5E Lesson Plans. Once I've created this folder, I can put items in there. So for example, this one, I'll move to 5E Lesson Plans. Selecting the item is all you need to do to move it into the folder. Here in Moodle, I'm going to go down and switch my role to Student. Now that I'm logged in as a student, I'll click on that reading list to see what my students will see. Here, students are presented with the readings that they need to do. Here, they can click to read full text.